Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey with visionary voices, where the magic of words awaits. Brace yourself as we dive into the power of quotes that will ignite your imagination, spark deep reflection, and propel you towards greatness. Join us now and be part of an interactive exploration where your thoughts and emotions intertwine with the profound wisdom of visionary voices. In a world filled with knowledge and information, there exists a profound danger that often goes unnoticed. It is not the absence of intelligence, but rather the presence of sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity that threatens our progress and unity. Throughout history, we have witnessed the power of ideas and the consequences of their misinterpretation. One man, however, dared to challenge this perilous path and shed light on the importance of knowledge and understanding. Martin Luther King Jr., a visionary leader, understood the true danger that sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity pose to our society. He recognized that ignorance, when combined with a genuine belief in its validity, could lead to disastrous outcomes. Sincere ignorance blinds us to the truth, trapping us in a cycle of misinformation and prejudice. It hinders our ability to empathize, to understand, and to grow as individuals and as a society. But it is conscientious stupidity that truly threatens our progress. It is the deliberate choice to ignore facts, to reject reason, and to perpetuate harmful ideologies that tear us apart. Imagine a world where we embrace knowledge, where we seek to understand rather than judge, and where we challenge our own beliefs. It is within our power to break free from the chains of ignorance and stupidity. Let us follow in the footsteps of Martin Luther King Jr., who dedicated his life to fighting against ignorance and stupidity. Let us educate ourselves, question our assumptions, and strive for a society built on empathy, understanding, and unity. As we embark on this journey, remember these words: nothing in all the world is more dangerous than sincere ignorance and conscientious stupidity. Together, let us be the change we wish to see in the world. Thank you for embarking on this incredible journey with Visionary Voices. We hope that the magic of words has inspired and ignited your imagination. If you want more inspiration and wisdom, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comments, and keep spreading the power of visionary voices to those who seek inspiration. Dare to dream, dare to explore, and dare to become the visionary voice that shapes the world. Until we meet again, remember, you are the architect of your own destiny. Let your voice be heard.